Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akanksha and you're watching my channel Absolutely AK. This time we're trying to do the vlog a different way, more personalized, and we're going on a mini staycation with this little cutie here and my husband, of course, to celebrate his birthday. And we're going to the Marriott Executive Apartments, and I can't wait to show you everything in and around, and also all the things that we do there. So let's move on. Right when we walked into Marriott Executive Apartments, Navi Mumbai, the vibe was just so welcoming. The lobby is airy, elegant, and the staff greeted us with warm smiles, making us feel instantly relaxed and excited for our weekend getaway. The reception was smooth, and we felt that luxury meets homely comfort right from the first step. The concierge even helped us with quick tips on the hotel facilities, dining plans, and the best spots for photos. Honestly, this is such a perfect place for a family stay. Next up, our stop at Hillview Cafe. This all-day dining spot has been a highlight of our stay. With floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking the beautiful Parsec Hills and the city skyline, the ambience here is unbeatable. And the Hillview Cafe bar is just steps away, perfect for a refreshing drink or an early evening cocktail while you take those scenic views. We celebrated Sachin's birthday here. It felt so special with the views making everything extra festive. So guys, we have checked into our room, and this is the highest category room, which is the luxury suite, and this is the living area, like you can see, and it is completely equipped with everything that you want in a house. We have a small dining situation here, we have a living situation here, and the best part, we also have a wonderful balcony here with the city view. Right now it's too sunny, so I'm going to show it to you in the evening. We also have, once again, we also have the TV and the music system here, and not to forget, we have a small little kitchenette here, which is also absolutely equipped for every kind of job. So let me quickly show you. So we have a refrigerator here. We have a refrigerator here. Then we have the freezer here. We also have a dishwasher here. You have your utensils, you have your cutlery, you have your oven, microwave, a wash basin, and then you have your washing machine and other things here. So basically, if you're looking out for staying like for the weekend, or you're a small little family, 2+2, 2 adults with 2 kids, this is absolutely the best thing that you can book. Alright, moving on. Then we have the main room, which first walks into the walk-in closet. So you can see how spacious the closet is. We have this wardrobe here with the iron table, with the hangers, with an intercom as well. We have this wonderful dressing area. Can you see the dressing area? And then you also have this place to keep your bags and your luggage. Moving on, we have this super room. Look at this gorgeous bed. Oh yes, you have to sit on it. Go sit on it. Go sit on it. So since we're celebrating my husband's birthday, we have this small decoration. We have this gorgeous, lovely, comfy bed. And the last thing that I would like to show you all is this super bathroom. We have the WC on the other side. We have the bathtub. All the things that you will need all the things that are luxurious, and that's our luxury suite at Marriott Executive Apartments. I have to talk about this view. Just look at how the city sparkles from here. Waking up to this city skyline and hills in the background is honestly one of the best parts of the whole experience. Let's talk about this beautiful outdoor pool. It's open, refreshing, and has these comfy lounges where you can just chill. I love taking a slow walk along the pool deck. It was so peaceful, especially as the sun was setting. This open space here is perfect for some serene moments. Just breathing in fresh air, feeling the soft breeze, and taking in those golden skies. This setup truly gives you that relaxing resort vibe right here in Navi Mumbai. Later that evening, we made our way up to Mizuki, the Pan-Asian gem on the 32nd floor of the hotel. Mizuki is known for its contemporary Pan-Asian cuisine, expertly prepared sushi, dim sum, and creative cocktails, all served with stunning skyline views. We enjoyed a small cake cutting for Sachin here. The vibe was warm, elegant, and perfect for a special occasion. If you love Asian flavors or want a more elevated dinner experience, definitely add Mizuki to your itinerary. After a good night's sleep, which by the way was so comfortable, we headed back to Hillview Cafe for breakfast. Guys, the variety here was amazing. From fresh juices and continental choices to wholesome Indian breakfast items. It was one of the most delightful and extensive spreads we've enjoyed. Ideal for both adults and kids. Honestly, if breakfast is your thing, this place has so much to offer and the views make it even better. And now for the tiny star of our trip, Shivan. We headed over to the kids' playroom and he absolutely took a Seeing him run around, play with toys, and explore made the staycation so fun for him too. It's such a relief as parents when a hotel has a dedicated space that actually keeps your little one engaged and happy. And that's exactly what happened. Time to leave. Shivu? Shivu. Hi. So guys, that's a wrap on our Marriott Executive Apartments, Navi Mumbai. I've tried to cover it all, whether it is the pool, the room tour, the lobby, Hillview Cafe, Mizuki, you name it, and I've tried to cover it all in this video. So now if you are a small little family or you're a couple that's trying to take a break from the city life, I think this is the perfect spot for you, and that's the reason why I will be leaving a link to this property in the description box. Figure out your dates, figure out your availability, figure out the best period that you would like to go here for, and I shall see you in the next video. So if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and up until then, lots of love.